We like to think of history as a continuous chain. Empires fall, cities crumble, but the people remain. Their descendants carry their legacy forward, passing down physical traits, languages, and, most importantly, their DNA. Every step your ancestors took is written directly into your genetic code. But what if the chain breaks? Across the globe, archaeologists have uncovered massive stone cities, advanced engineering marvels, and royal tombs belonging to incredibly powerful civilizations. But when geneticists extract DNA from the soil and the bones, they find nothing. No modern descendants, no genetic cousin lineages, a complete, absolute dead end. Tonight, we explore 10 ancient dynasties that vanished without leaving a single trace of DNA, and the final one pulled off the most complete genetic vanishing act in human history, because the last dynasty on this list replaced an entire continent's population, only to completely disappear themselves just a few centuries later. Our journey begins in the dense, humid jungles of Mexico. Long before the Maya built their temples, the Olmec civilization ruled the Gulf Coast. They carved colossal basalt heads weighing up to 40 tons, created the first Mesoamerican writing system, and established a powerful ruling dynasty. But we have no idea who they actually were. The tropical, highly acidic soil of the Mexican lowlands is incredibly destructive. Over centuries, it completely dissolved every single Olmec skeleton. Without bones, geneticists cannot extract a single strand of DNA. The Olmecs are often called the mother culture of Mesoamerica, but physically, they are ghosts. We have their massive stone faces staring at us, but not a single molecule of their genetic code. Off the coast of northwest Africa lie the Canary Islands. Before Spanish conquests in the 15th century, the islands were ruled by the Guanches. They were a tall, robust people who mummified their dead, lived in volcanic caves, and were ruled by a highly structured royal dynasty. But their genetic lineage met a brutal end. When Spanish conquistadors arrived, they launched a systematic war of elimination. The Guanche men were largely wiped out, while some maternal DNA survived through forced integration. The distinct paternal Y chromosome lineages of the Guanche kings were completely erased. Today, the original pure genetic signature of this isolated island dynasty exists only in dry, mummified tissue locked in museum vaults. In the Taklamakan Desert of western China sits the Tarim Basin. In the early 20th century, archaeologists made a shocking discovery. Inside dry, salty graves, they found perfectly preserved mummies. But they didn't look East Asian. They had red and blonde hair, high cheekbones, and wore European-style wool textiles. These individuals belonged to a forgotten, wealthy desert dynasty. For decades, scientists assumed they were travelers from Europe or Ukraine. But in 2021, a massive genomic study mapped their DNA. The results shocked the scientific world. They were not immigrants. They belonged to a highly isolated, ancient group that had been genetically cut off from the rest of the world for over 9,000 years. When their civilization collapsed due to changing river paths, their unique genetic line stopped. They left behind physically flawless mummies, but not a single living relative on Earth. Misty highlands of ancient Scotland lived the Picts. They were a fierce tribal confederation that painted their bodies blue, carved mysterious symbols into stone pillars, and successfully defeated the invading Roman legions. For centuries, they were ruled by a powerful maternal dynasty, but by the 10th century, the Picts vanished from history. For years, historians assumed they were completely wiped out or driven away. But modern genetic mapping of Scotland revealed something even stranger. The Picts didn't run. They were completely absorbed by the neighboring Gales. In the process, their distinct genetic markers were so thoroughly diluted that scientists can no longer find a unique Pictish DNA signature in modern populations. A dynasty that broke Rome, swallowed entirely by the genetic sea of their neighbors. Before Rome became an empire, the Etruscans ruled northern Italy. They built wealthy, highly advanced cities, mastered metalworking, and established a sophisticated noble class. Even the early kings of Rome were Etruscans. But as Rome grew, Etruria was conquered. You would expect modern Italians in the region of Tuscany to carry Etruscan DNA, but genetic studies show a massive, unexplained disconnect. The genetic signature of the Etruscan ruling elite does not match modern Tuscans. 5,000 years ago, the Indus Valley civilization was the largest and most advanced urban society on the planet. Cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro featured grid-planned streets, complex indoor plumbing, and massive public baths. They were ruled by an organized elite class that managed trade across Asia. But around 1900 BCE, the cities were abandoned. When geneticists finally managed to sequence the DNA from Indus Valley skeletons, they found a genetic signature that no longer exists in its pure form. As the civilization collapsed due to severe droughts, the population migrated and mixed heavily with arriving steppe pastoralists and southern tribes. The distinct, highly specific genetic makeup of the builders of the ancient world's most planned cities was scattered, fractured, and permanently lost to time. In the Bronze Age Mediterranean, the Minoans of Crete built the legendary palace of Knossos. They were a wealthy maritime empire ruled by priest kings, celebrated for their beautiful frescoes of bull leaping, and structured around an advanced writing system known as Linear A. Then, the volcanic island of Thera erupted with apocalyptic force. Tsunamis battered Crete, ash blocked the sun, and the Minoan civilization collapsed. While some regional genetic material survived, the distinct, ruling genetic lineage of the Knossos palace elite completely vanished. They were replaced by Mycenaean conquerors from the Greek mainland. The architects of the first great European civilization left behind a labyrinth of stone, but their royal bloodline ended in the volcanic ash. Deep in the hyper-arid deserts of Libya lies the ghost empire of the Garamantes. While Rome ruled the Mediterranean, the Garamantes built an advanced, underground water extraction civilization in the middle of the Sahara. They dug thousands of miles of subterranean tunnels, called Fogara, to farm the desert, using a massive horse-drawn chariot military to control trade routes. But by the 5th century, the subterranean aquifers ran dry. The Garamantes abandoned their desert fortresses and scattered. Today, modern genetic testing of the Saharan populations shows almost no trace of this highly distinct, advanced agricultural dynasty. They conquered the most hostile environment on Earth, only to be completely swallowed by the shifting sands. In the high deserts of New Mexico sits Chaco Canyon. Around 800 CE, the ancestral Puebloans constructed great houses, colossal multi-story stone complexes that aligned perfectly with solar and lunar cycles. Excavations inside room 33 of Pueblo Bonito revealed a stunning secret. It was a royal crypt containing 14 skeletons covered in thousands of turquoise beads. DNA analysis proved these individuals belonged to a single, elite maternal dynasty that ruled Chaco Canyon for over 330 years. But during a massive, decades-long mega-drought, the canyon was suddenly abandoned. The elite dynasty disappeared. Modern Pueblo descendants carry ancestral links to the region, but the highly concentrated, specific genetic lineage of the Chaco Canyon lords vanished entirely from the southwestern landscape. A dynasty of astronomers who stepped out of their stone palaces and into genetic oblivion. Our final dynasty represents the most violent genetic replacement ever recorded. 4,500 years ago, the people who built Stonehenge were thriving in ancient Britain. But then, a new group arrived from mainland Europe, the Bell Beaker people. They brought copper weapons, unique pottery, and a highly aggressive culture. Within just a few generations, a staggering 90% of the genetic makeup of Britain was completely replaced by Bell Beaker DNA. The original Stonehenge builders were virtually wiped out. But then, the mystery deepens. The group that pulled off the most absolute population replacement in history vanished as a distinct genetic lineage, leaving behind only their diagnostic pottery and burial mounds. We build monuments to last forever. We carve stone, we draw borders, we crown kings, but history is not written in stone. It is written in blood, and as these lost dynasties prove, even the most powerful bloodlines on Earth can be entirely erased from the map of human existence. They left us their palaces, their graves, and their mysteries, but their biological spark is gone forever. This is Dark Atlas. Which of these vanished dynasties surprised you the most? Do you think there are ancient empires right beneath our feet that we have completely forgotten? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you want to keep mapping the hidden anomalies and forgotten histories of our world, hit that like button. Subscribe to Dark Atlas